Lilian Ngoyi, September 25, 1911 to March 13, 1980, is fondly remembered as Aman Ngoyi. She started her political activism in the Garment Workers' Union and joined the ANC's defiance campaign in 1952. She later joined the ANC Women's League, and through her energetic and passionate approach she quickly gained recognition and was elected president of the League only a year later. On August 9, 1956, now commemorated as Women's Day in South Africa, Ngoyi and other woman leaders led an estimated 20,000 women to the Union buildings in Pretoria, the seat of power of the white minority government. They were protesting extending the much-hated pass laws to women. These laws required black citizens to carry pass documents to better control their movement. Ngoyi risked a 3-year prison sentence by walking into the whites-only section of a Johannesburg post office. Apartheid laws created and policed racially segregated spaces, and to defy them took great bravery. This resulted in her arrest and lifetime ban from public gatherings. Her activism was a testimony to her resilience and belief in gender and racial equality. The banning orders ended her political career and gradually eroded her ability to earn a living as a seamstress, unable to travel into town to purchase fabrics. Security police frequently raided her home, chasing away potential customers. Ngoyi was forced to rely on sporadic donations, a transnational figure and tireless champion of political freedom and human rights. On March 13, 1980, 2 months before her third banning order was due to expire, Ngoyi passed away, aged 69. She never saw freedom in her lifetime, nor did she receive the recognition she deserved for her efforts to achieve it. At her funeral, activist and church leader Desmond Tutu said that when the true history of South Africa was written, Ngoyi's name would be in letters of gold.